Trevor, how much my fare?
Oh, just a small two bills, you know. Alright, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Trevor, you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have a girlfriend. 5 wonderful and faithful years, man. I kick it. My love her, gone to bed. I'm a babes that, man. Alright?
So we can't get your number. I'm sure no, she not mind you having friends.
Nothing. I love my woman. I respect her too much. I mean, I want other woman come between me and her.
Listen, I'm not fucking ask you for give me the number. I'm tell her put the number on my phone. Do it now. Hurry up.
But I try to be a faithful man to you, woman. I try to be a faithful man to you.
Hurry up. I show the right number and now with my colleague and say, quick. Thank you.
Oh, my love woman. My love woman. My love cheese. Yeah, babes, and I saw her number getting on my phone, right? And the reason why I never tell you about it is because she have a gun and she said she gonna murder you if you find out. And I never want to murder you, babes, and I protect me, I try to protect you. Alright, because there know some black man that she wouldn't do that, babes.
I don't believe you.
Babes, don't do me that. In the heart, babe. In the... Black man not cheat, babes. Black man not cheat.